Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card Overview. Welcome to the overview of the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card is a straightforward, no-nonsense cashback option designed for those who prioritize simplicity and flexibility in their rewards program. With this card, you'll earn an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, with no categories to track or limits to worry about. Whether you're shopping for groceries, filling up your gas tank, or paying bills, you'll consistently earn cash back on everything. One of the standout features of this card is the introductory offer, a $200 online cash rewards bonus after making at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. This makes it an excellent choice for new cardholders looking to get immediate value. Additionally, the card offers a 0% introductory APR for the first 18 billing cycles on purchases and any balance transfers made within the first 60 days, which is particularly appealing for those looking to consolidate debt or finance a large purchase. The Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card is ideal for individuals who want a simple, hassle-free cashback card with no annual fee. If you're a Bank of America Preferred Rewards member, you'll get an even higher cashback rate, up to 25% to 75% more, making this card even more valuable for those already banking with Bank of America. Security features are robust, including zero liability for unauthorized transactions, account alerts, and a digital wallet option for added convenience. The card is also globally accepted, making it a good option for those who travel or shop internationally. In summary, the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable, easy-to-use cashback card with competitive introductory offers and no annual fee. Whether you're new to credit cards or looking to simplify your reward strategy, this card delivers consistent value and flexibility, ensuring you're always earning back on your everyday purchases.